at Gary Gensler, saying that the SEC Gov Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. It says the SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. Shonali Bassick still with us here in our New York studios. We're also in conversation with Keely Lyons and Eric Balchunas. Shonali, I mean, there's going to be a lot of speculation as to what happened, what didn't happen. At the end of the day, they still have to make a decision, or at least the anticipation is they have to make that decision. Do you think we're going to see anything materially different, maybe in 24 hours' time, than what we saw just over the last 20 minutes?
And I had the same thought. The fact that there was this kind of a mistake, until we know where the mistake came from, can the SEC then move forward and say, okay, we can rightfully still approve this in that deadline? They could always punt, right? They could always push it as they have before. They could also deny applications. They could ask for more information, as we've seen last-minute amendments to the filings just this morning. Now, the idea of the market here, and you saw the reaction and pricing of Bitcoin, was that those amendments, those quick movements, were the SEC trying to move forward and get this page cleared and get past this moment so that, you know, we can get these things approved with certainty now that there are so many issuers. But does this change the equation? We don't even really know how this compromise, as Gary Gensler called it. Remember, think about just the influence that X, or previously Twitter, has had on financial markets alone in the last several years, and the fights that the SEC has had over this type of these type of issues and disclosures. Was it a breach? Was it not a breach? Right? I mean, they need to at least provide some clarity.
Well, they need to provide clarity. I mean,
100%.
You can't. I mean, if you believe the idea that approving these things somehow provides greater oversight, greater transparency, and this is the rollout, whether it was intentional, whether it was some fat finger thing or whatever, it's not a good look one way or the other.
Someone's trolling the SEC.
It's not a good look for SEC. It's certainly not a good look for X. I don't know why anybody's there.